Welcome, Matthijs. Thank you for having here this interview. Can you just briefly introduce yourself, please?
Yes, thank you. So I'm Matthijs Punter. I'm working at TNO, a research organization in the Netherlands, and we're one of the partners of the Data Space Support Center, the initiative in Europe which is there to, well, as the name says, support all the new data space initiatives which are upcoming.
So I understand the Data Spaces Support Center has just started. Are there any things that you think that the SEMIC community can help in your work?
Well, definitely. So we have started, but we will not start from scratch. We will, of course, listen to the requirements of the data space initiatives. I mean, those are in a way our customers. But we also would like to learn from what is already out there. And I think the SEMIC community has provided lots of tools and standards and things which are quite relevant to data spaces. And we should build upon that, amongst, of course, all other initiatives which are out there.
Yeah, so in the SEMIC community, we're for a large part public sector organizations. In the Data Space Support Center, you're also looking at private partners and companies?
Correct. So data spaces are of course sometimes driven by public organizations, but in many cases also by private organizations, or the private organizations need to take part of a data space. So I think that's a difference, but specifically on the topic of semantic interoperability and semantic models, there are lots of elements which have been developed here, which we might be able to reuse. Mind you that we are looking for the fundamental building blocks of a data space, and semantics are an important element in that.
And you were referring to the work that SEMIC has done in the past,
yeah.
So the specifications that we have. Are there things that you think we could help Data Space Support Center in the future?
Well, the actual question would be how you can help data spaces. I mean, we're there to help data spaces and to try to bundle the knowledge and expertise that there is in this field in Europe. But specifically, we aim to build a blueprint with the key building blocks for data spaces. We also try to fill a toolbox with tools to support data spaces, and I would love to see how the results of the SEMIC community can potentially become part of that. So my question to you would be, make it available so we can also share that with the wider audience of data spaces.
We will certainly do that. Thank you very much.
I would definitely appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you.